Hello my dear friends, I'm Kirill and today we will take a look at the LEGO Technic Polybag of 2023. This is a set number 30655, forklift with pallet, and this set reminds me of forklift 8416. As the previous polybag set, this set has very cute building instruction. We have the first page, a lot of steps here, and the second page also contains a lot of stages. Yes, of course, building process will not take a lot of time. The set has about 78 pieces or something like this, and this is a complete model. You can roll it. It rolls pretty well. And it has very cool function. Here we have worm gear and 8-tooth gear, and we can rise and lower the fork. And here we have a special pallet to demonstrate this mechanism in action. It's very easy to operate by this forklift, and due to the stops, the limiters on this axis, pallet is pretty stable here. We can shake the model, we can tilt the model, and yeah, you can see that the angle is pretty significant. And it's very playable model. You don't need a lot of skill to play with it. Mechanism works very fast, and I really like this small cute set. Very nice set with not too many pieces, but with real function, and that's cool because this is LEGO Technic. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share your thoughts about this polybag below the video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!